My week in bio experience was amazing. I learned so many new things, and that biotechnology is such a wide array of things that you can go into. My favorite part of the experience was just being in the lab, learning a lot about genetics, and just the operations that they do here.
Hello everyone, my name's Greg. I've just completed the week in bio with Next Biosciences. I would really recommend this to anyone who's looking to go into science or even that's unsure about what they want to do. The one great thing about this week has been experiencing new things that you don't really see at university, going into the lab, seeing what actually happens behind the scenes and what is out there.
So the week in biosciences was so incredibly rewarding, all the things that they showed us here at the company, and a lot of my expectations of like what working in industry have been blown out of the water. I have a far new, fresher perspective on it, and honestly this was so informative, and I loved every minute of it, and I highly recommend it.
So for my week in bio experience, I would definitely recommend it to any undergrads or postgrads. If you don't know what you want to do in science and you don't want to go into academia, definitely do it, because I knew absolutely nothing about business and now I have a little bit of an idea of what to do, and I definitely enjoyed every single second of it, even though I was like, business, but they made it so much fun and so much more approachable for someone from a science background. And probably my best experience was meeting all the candidates and just having a great time and making friends.
So the week in biotech has been an amazing opportunity, and yes, I would highly recommend it to undergraduates, postgrads. Basically, if you don't know what you want to do or you don't know how many options are out there, because it was a lot of fun going into the labs and getting exposed to different parts of business in science.
Hi, my name is Mobile Saleni, and I got the privilege of being in the Next Bioscience week in biotech. I have so much appreciation. Out of my university, I was like the only one here, so I really appreciate this opportunity. And one department that really captured my interest was the genetics, also the biologics department, because they spoke of ways in which I feel I can work in the lab that resonate to what my interests are. And yeah, that's basically it. I appreciate this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Bonnie and I was part of the Next Biosciences. The best experience about this thing was the fact that it was not just about going to the lab, but actually understanding the gap that was actually that comes from the institutions. And the best part was the fact that businesses are not all that easy, and they really look that perfect. So people coming to show their stories and actually showing that it's not really that easy made me feel like it's really relatable and I can make a change one day.
Hi guys, so the part I enjoyed the most about the week would probably be the networking. I got to meet a lot of interesting people. Their positive vibes really rubbed off of me, and it was just interesting to listen to them and actually see how they think, which I think will be beneficial to me to broaden how I think. And then what I took away from this is that you don't have to be fixed to one thing. It's okay to start somewhere. It's okay to not really have a plan of where you want to go in life. It's okay to mess up, make mistakes, but in the end, it'll all work out for your benefit as long as you put the work in. And yeah, I would recommend people to join this program because it really opens your mind, especially in the biotechnology space. It really helps you learn a lot about business, learn a lot about innovations, inventions, and just how to carry yourself in business.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Frizana, and one of the things I enjoyed the most about the Week in Bio is the guest speakers and how they basically transformed their degrees into businesses that actually are impacting people's lives. So yeah, that was the most impactful thing from this entire week.
Hi guys, what I really enjoyed about this week in bio is that we really got to learn about the different biology based companies in and around South Africa, which really inspired you. It also gave me a lot of career insights on possible pathways that I could go down and that anything is possible.
Hi guys, my name is Kirshni and I learned how to pitch a business idea this week and how to start up a business and why it's important to start up one. I also learned how to harvest stem cells from placenta and other